Let's take a look at the high support of the 35 kg multi-solvent steel engine. Look at this high support we just finished today. This is a well-made platform. High support made of fixed floor. After our professional installation, the speed of the high support is now. The stability of high support is particularly beautiful. High support is stable and stable. The installation of stable equipment is a meticulous job. It's a professional job. It's easy to use if it's safe. Check out the professional technology. The professional master said it differently. How stable can you see? Go to Mount Tai with steadily. Come to Jiao brother. I'm a professional master. I'll take a photo for you. Come to the professional master to see. Depend on the level of our professional masters. More than 25 kilograms can easily dry 1 pound. Welcome to purchase. Ha ha ha.